My name is Sam DeCillis. I'm the Tax Credit Program Coordinator here at the State Historic Preservation Office of Ohio, meaning that my role is to assist new and returning applicants with any process-related questions or concerns they might have. To that end, OHIPO has created a series of informational videos designed to give you an overview of the tax credit process and to help assist you in applying. This video is focused on Part 3 of the tax credit process. The Part 3, and you can see the cover sheet on the left here, is submitted after your entire project is complete, after all the rehabilitation work is done. Basically, it just documents that the work was completed as proposed and approved. In this Part 3, you'll provide photos of the finished property, basically after pics to contrast with before pics from Part 1 and 2, along with a photo key. And you'll receive final certification once the Part 3 has been approved. Remember, the federal program has a 5-year look-back period. In other words, you may need to submit a post-Part 3 amendment if you applied for those federal credits, received them, and are planning on making additional changes after being awarded those credits. Just a couple of reminders here I want to add as well, and while talking about Part 3. The finished work should match what was approved in the Part 2 and any subsequent amendments. If it does not match, applicants must explain the variances in their Part 3 summary, a summary which is required for all optic projects, strongly recommended for federal-only projects, which summarizes all completed work. Part 3 photographs should also mirror the Part 2 photographs in scope and detail when possible, with supplemental after photos submitted as well. The entire building must be photographed before and after, regardless of whether work was conducted in a given area or not. Again, that's a key thing to note. The National Park Service looks at each building in its entirety. At Part 3 and throughout the 5-year look-back period, the entire building must meet the standards, regardless of whether federal tax credits were sought for a given portion of the property. Remember, the narrative takes precedence, but everything in the application, so narrative, photos, any other elevation drawings, floor plans, anything like that, they all must agree. And finally, here's just a summary to kind of go over the overall arc of the process here. Basically, you just work with us on your submission, receive approval, amend if revisions are needed, get approval on those revisions, only complete work which you received approval or which meets the Secretary Standards for Rehabilitation. And then if you meet all those 4 steps, you will receive final certification. Thank you for watching this presentation. Again, you can reach me. My email is at sdecillis@ohiohistory.org. My phone number is 614-298-2028. Otherwise, if you have any other questions about the tax credit program, feel free to check out some of the other videos. Thank you.